The Makita DHW180Z Pressure Washer is a versatile tool with a robust motor powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, allowing for efficient cleaning without the need for a power cord. It offers two pressure modes, enabling you to switch between high and low settings for different cleaning tasks, from tough surfaces to delicate items. The pressure washer is equipped with a 5-in-1 nozzle, which provides various spray angles for diverse applications, making it suitable for everything from concrete walls to gentle plant watering. Its self-priming function and multiple water supply methods, including a faucet, self-priming, or plastic bottle option, offer flexibility depending on your water source availability. The device is designed with user-friendly features such as a trigger lock function and a warning lamp that alerts you to battery capacity, high temperature, or overload issues. With its compact size and lightweight design, the Makita DHW180Z ensures ease of use and portability, making it an excellent choice for outdoor cleaning tasks.